これか、蟹座の聖カニキスの幼虫は。
はい。蟹座の超電磁波を与えれば、無敵の大怪獣に変身するはずです。
よし、よくやった。あとは原田五助というじじいをうまく脅して、カニ座のエネルギーをカニキスに注ぐだけだ。人間どもやマグマの驚く様が目に見えるようだ。カニキスの子よ、そこで待つがよい。今にこのボア様が貴様を恐ろしい悪の化身に変えてくれるからな。
さよなら。
おじいちゃんついてるぞ。太郎、死ぬんじゃないぞ。太郎、おじいちゃんがついてるぞ。
Mr. Gosuke, was Taro your son?
No, he was my grandson. Taro's parents passed away when he was only an infant. I was his only parent after that. My grandson and I had a beautiful relationship.
Mm-hmm.
We hunted a lot and took long walks together. Do you hunt?
Mm-hmm.
When you cross a road, always look in every direction. At times, the driver, unfortunately, doesn't see you. Understand?
Yes, I understand, and thanks. So long. See you later!
Just a minute. Don't you know me? Oh. It's Grandpa. Why do you walk away from me? Wait. Stay there. Taro. Oh. Oh, please. I can't keep up with you. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. Taro. Oh. Taro, you were there. I know I didn't see things. It was you, Taro.
It's so easy for you to fall for illusion and trickery. But what no one can do is take away the love you have for your grandson. And that, Kazuki, you can never escape. I call love a weakness. Earthlings will do practically anything when they love. They are blind to reason and logic. That will be my weapon.
What's going on? What is this?
You're in my ship, Kosuke. I'm holding you prisoner.
Rodak.
Did you see your grandson? That was an illusion I used to trap you, and it worked.
What do you want? We are no longer allies, so let me go home. Rodak, I want to know why you're holding me.
You'll find out in a minute. First, I want you to see something. Look. I will allow you to keep the illusion of Taro for as long as you live. But for such a great prize, I will have you turn traitor against your fellow Earthlings. If you don't want to cooperate, you will never see Taro again. Think carefully, or you may make a mistake. I must conquer the Earth, and I will go to every extreme to win it.
I can't take the torture of seeing my grandson again. Make that illusion disappear. You can't do this to me.
But I am doing it. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. Or stop your love for Taro, for that matter. Look again, Gasuki. Kosuke, do not feel so badly. I am prepared to allow you to live with Taro's illusion for as long as you want. But for that, you must tell me how you transported Goldar to Earth. This is Lodi.
Lodi?
It is from the Nastrix galaxy. It can grow into a huge monster if I inject it with electromagnetic waves from its home planet. That is what you did to Goldar, and I need that secret.
Oh, never. I swore it. I'm never going to help you any longer. I have assisted you in your ruthless cause for the last time.
You would prefer keeping the promise that you gave Goldar. I am offering the chance to live with the illusion for as long as you desire.
Oh. Let me go.
It'll be like living with Taro all over again. Time is running out, Make your decision, Gosuke. Tell me the secret, Gosuke. Now that Gosuke is back on our side, grow, Lodi. This is a great moment in my battle for Earth. I am about to create one of the most dangerous monsters. My revenge begins.
My senses were alerted to a sudden change in the air in every corner of the Earth. I would venture to guess that Rodak is the one who's causing it. If it's true, get ready for a challenge, Goldar.
Yes, Methuselah, I have the idea that if Rodak's causing the change, it's due to the fact that he's getting a new monster ready to attack the Earth.
If that is true, it's an excellent plan. I wonder if Gosuke is connected with Rodak's plan.
And if it's true, then Gosuke's being tricked again.
I agree with you. And if Gosuke was tricked, that means the old man's life is in danger. Goldar, we cannot allow Rodak to send another creature to Earth. Take action right away. I want you to search around. And if you discover a monster, I want you to destroy it long before it can attack.
At last, I've done it. The most powerful of all monsters is now created.
It was a trick, wasn't it? I'll never see Taro again. You just used my grandson.
Oh, exactly. But to show you I have mercy, I will not destroy you. Because I'm honorable, you will now return to Earth.
I think Rodak lured Gosuke away to learn how he got Goldar here.
Yes. His love for his grandson leaves Gosuke vulnerable. I think that anybody can take advantage of him if he's being constantly so miserable.
I agree. Rodak knows of Gosuke's love for his grandson. Oh, Gosuke!
What happened?
I've been Rodak's prisoner today.
What?
He told me I could have my grandson, but he was lying.
Gosuke! Gosuke!
Gosuke!
Quickly, I want you to call an ambulance. He needs a doctor. He must go to the hospital.
Yes.
I wonder if he aided Rodak.
Attack, Lodi! Destroy everything you can!
Get ready to demolish that creature. We must at all costs save the city. We will divide into 3 groups and attack the monster immediately. March! way.
Tell my units to stand by.
Yes, sir. Stand by, all units.
All units, stand by.
Attack the monster. Now, attack the monster, now. Good. The monsters had it. The creature is not here. Commander, our instrument showed the monsters now in Kayam. How did it get to another city in 10 seconds' time?
Mura, what news have you learned concerning the creature?
Well, according to Kita, Gasuki told Rodak how he summoned Gonda to Earth.
That is correct. Not only does my new monster have the same strength as Gonda, but in Lodi's heart is the same hatred of humans that Gasuki had. If you don't surrender the Earth to me, Lodi will destroy everything on it.
Nani?
Would he destroy 20 cars on the road and then vanished? We'll get our photographers down as he can.
Right. Boris speaking. Yes. Yes, as quickly as possible.
Papa!
Nico, we've got to act fast. Get Gan, Silbar, and Goldar.
All three of them at once?
That's right. We need them right away.
Yes, Papa. Space Avenger!
It's very strange that Miko is calling all three of us at once.
And Miko doesn't know that Mother had a special mission to go on from Methuselah.
Are you ready, Gam?
Yes, Father.
I'll handle Lodi.
Look out!
Go and join your mother.
I'll go right now.
You heard what I said, Rodak. I'll get you yet. I'll destroy you, Rodak. Kasuki. Silva. Rodak is squeezing Kasuki's neck.
I know that.
Tell Goldar.
Goldar! You've got to take your hands off Lodi's neck.
If Silvar said so, all right.
It looks as though we can't hurt the creature.
If the creature dies, Kosuki dies. This is one time you're powerless, Goldar. Can you supply Lodi with electromagnetic waves anytime you want?
Yes, anytime we want.
Goldar! As you've already found out, the more you hurt Lodi, the more you hurt...
お前やアースの大好きな人類の助けを借りてな。うわっ！そのような卑怯なやり方にこのマグマが参ると思うのか。はっ！カニ強い。お前はアースもマグマも恐れることはない。思う存分暴れ回って今度こそ人類を絶望の淵に叩き込んでやる。急いでカニ座の超電磁波をカニックスに補充せよ。
パパ、ちょっと来て。
なんだ？
カニさん見て。
ん？
のカニクスのやつ、カニ座のエネルギーを吸収してるんじゃないか。
パパもそう思う？
うん。ちくしょう。明日あたりまたカニクスのやつが戦いを挑んでくる。
マグマ大使も今度はちょっとやそっとでは手が出ないし。
一番まずいことになった。人類を滅ぼすのは怪獣じゃない。たった一人の人間の憎しみなんだ。
一番怖い怪獣は人間なんだね。
残念ながらこのままでは。
そう今度は小学校を狙う。そうすれば親たちはいよいよ希望を失ってあのゴスケ老人のように他人を憎み始める。これだ人間どもをこのゴア様の言いなりにするのは
listen carefully to me. I have given Lodi orders to attack all school children. You can prevent this by forcing your leaders to surrender the Earth to me. The Space Avenger is helpless to do anything. Think about what I have said. For my monster has only a short time before it attacks. Your children could be victims of Lodi's first attack.
He'll do that for this planet. I can't think of any way to aid those kids. It is urgent that we save the children. Rodak's creature is to be destroyed. I personally picked you men to do the job. There's no time. Now we'll get that creature. Sergeant, see who that is? Yes, sir. Yes? What did you say? The citizens of Kozai just saw the monster? What's that? Lodi just appeared in the community of Kozai. Kozai? Yes, sir. We've got to get that monster. Yes? Moro? What's the word, sir? Not good. For the safety of the children, the Board of Education signed a petition this afternoon. They want our world leaders to give the world to Rodak. To Rodak? They think it's more important to protect the children against the creature. Now what? The main thing is the children, and yet the Earth is at stake. It looks as if this could be the end, sir. I've never seen anything quite like this before. Gosuki examination? I find that Gosuki has an emotional disturbance. He is filled with hatred, and yet he is also filled with love, the opposite of hate. Then he is not rational. I know it's Rodak. And what does that explain? Just this. Rodak's using Gosuki's hatred against Earth. What? You mean they work together? That's right. Gasuki hates humans, and so does the creature. There's a link between Gasuki and the creature. Doctor, while Gasuki is with us, we have no way of getting rid of the creature. Then Rodak's monster and Gasuki feel identical pain. Then you agree, Doctor? Mm-hmm. Then what you have said, Kida, makes a lot of sense, really. And that could only mean if Gasuki dies, then so will the monster. We should learn of a way of cutting off Gasuki's concentrated hatred. That way, the international complex can quite easily destroy Lodi. Kida you can use to any extent my people's knowledge here at the hospital. Altemura. So far, the monster has destroyed schools while children were not attending classes as a warning of what was yet to come. An emergency meeting has been called at the capital at 8 tonight.
We should do something. You're right. Miko, remember you were told not to use the whistle. Goldar was instructed he can't attack the monster. Don't you recall? You're right.
He's in here. Now listen, it's you who caused the monster to hurt us. Because of your hatred, we're all beyond help. There's little time.
Another thing. Goldar is helpless. You will get hurt if Goldar destroys the monster.
This is all your fault, Gasuki. You gave in to Rodak too easily, and now everybody is suffering. What do you intend to do about it? It's your fault. Your fault. Your fault. I don't know what to think. I can't control Lodi. Do what you will. I can only ask forgiveness. Now get out! I don't want assistance any longer. Do you hear me? Get out! Go away!
It is a very sad situation. Children are about to be slaughtered, and there is nothing the Earthlings can do about it. They are running out of time, and I can't help.
We've got to assist the humans.
You're right, and it is our duty. The creature is seen attacking in one area, and about a moment later is seen attacking in another area. The Earthlings cannot do anything.
Which is what made me say a second ago that it's up to us, sir.
I know, but we cannot destroy the monster. The second that we do our job, then Gasuki dies. We have to decide. There's little time.
Sir, is it right for millions and millions of lives to be lost just for the sake of one life?
Meaning what? That you will deliberately destroy the life of a human. It is not for us to judge who should live or die. It is our intention to help all Earthlings in danger. You should know that.
It was wrong of me to say that.
That's much better. We must use our power wisely against enemies. Otherwise, we aren't any better than Rodak.
Then what can we do?
There is only one thing that can be done to destroy the creature.
Then there is a way.
The electromagnetic waves that Lodi feeds on for its strength. If we can cut off the intake of those waves, the creature will shrink in size to that of a miniature.
The way it originally came here.
Sir, I just thought of something. A lightning rod would ground those magnetic waves. Isn't that right?
You might have a good idea there, Cam.
It'll hurt your component parts.
I know that. But under the circumstances, it's worth the try.
But if anything goes wrong...
Please, let me
It's my job.
Could I at least assist?
No. Good luck, Goldar. Get the monster.
Get it this time.
Mura. Hmm? It looks like the start of a sad day. Katsuki. Ah, Kida. As you can see, I'm leaving right now. Everyone's already told me that I shouldn't stay at this hospital, so I'm going. Because I caused all the trouble, I feel I must depart. Oh, it's okay. I want to help you. You'll be all right. Don't worry. He'll need attention from you now, Ide. He feels alone. Since they said they didn't want him at the hospital.
It's all right now, dear. I'll be taking care of you, and you'll see you feel well tomorrow. I still love you, no matter what anyone has said. Everything is going to be all right now.
If I had several monsters like Lodi, I'd own the Earth in no time. But to get the same species is almost impossible.
I think we might be able to do that, sir.
What? How?
By forcing Gasuki into sending additional electromagnetic waves to Earth from the Nastrix galaxy.
If we had more of those waves and fed them into miniatures like Lodi, the idea would be workable, and Gasuki is the only one who could do that.
That's right, sir.
You're the one assistant in my entire ship. That's not an idiot. Gasuki, I'm still holding you to the bargain that we made, or did you forget it so quickly?
Sorry, Rodak. I regard that poor bargain I struck already completed.
What are you talking about? Your hatred for human beings puts us on the same side.
No longer. Hatred for my fellow man was exercised for the last time. Now, get out, you hear? We have nothing to do with each other. Dealing with you was the biggest error that's ever been made.
No one deserts me and lives to tell about it, Kazuki. Now you will pay the price of being a traitor. First, you will suffer. We meet again, Rodak. I've waited for this. Have they? Oh, with pleasure. What's this one, Goldar? Not good enough, Rodak. Come back and fight, Rodak.
I fulfilled my end of the deal.
And I'm proud of you.
Goldar. People don't like me any longer because of what I did. Now I have to find a way of getting even with Rodak. I must gain the respect of all my friends.
I will tell the world of your bravery. That will help you win their friendship again, Kosuke.
I don't know how to thank you for what you've already done.
Tell Lodi to attack. I want you to give the secret of the electromagnetic waves to me.
The secret? I should divulge the secret to you?
That's right. If I had such information, I could find a way of using it against Lodi. The Earth doesn't have a chance of survival as long as I cannot destroy that monster.
I understand now. However, you will be in danger.
That's the chance I'll have to take. Children all over the world have been threatened. There's no time to think of my own safety. The monster must be stopped, or Rodak may force world leaders to surrender the Earth to him.
You're right. The children need your strength. Don't forget, though, when you hurt the monster, you'll hurt me. Destroy the monster.
You are being very brave, Kazuki. The world will not forget what you are about to do for them.
No. Don't tell the world what I've done anymore. I owe at least this to them, Goldar. There's little time. Please.
All right.
I'll tell. Secret. Get inside the house. You hear? You're in danger as long as you're not in the house. I can't hold out any longer. I can't stand the agony. Now you can destroy the creature.
not frighten children. It will no longer threaten the planet. Destroy the monster. The monster. I can't take it any longer. Any longer.
I want you to gather all the electromagnetic waves, transfer them into Lodi's body, and destroy the Space Avenger. Yes, sir.
Take your monster, Rodak, and do with it as you please. It won't be hurting any more Earthlings. I'm sorry. Gosuke did not give up his life for nothing. Because of him, children all over the world will be safe. He was a hero, and all the nations will be proud of him, as I am, and as I know you are. I will tell everyone of his bravery. Gosuke did far more for the world than I. He will not be forgotten.
アンドロメダ3号から宇宙センター。
こちら宇宙センター、現在地点どうぞ。
金星を通過したアンドロメダ3号は太陽系一周の軌道に完全に乗っている。
飛行状態はどうか。
酸素調整装置、重力装置ともに異常なし。脈拍、呼吸ともに正常。すこぶる快適だ。アンドロメダ3号乗務要員2名。これから1時間の仮眠に入る。
了解。楽しい夢をどうぞ。
人間どもが打ち上げた太陽系一周の人工衛星アンドロメダ3号です。
そんなことは分かっている。この広大な宇宙、一体誰のもの。もちろんゴア様のものでございます。ところが人類、生意気にもこのゴア様の庭である太陽系の宇宙空間に土足でデカズが踏み込んできた。人類は宇宙の侵略にやってきたのだ。侵略者は撃たねばならん。目には目を、歯には歯を。人類のゴア様への挑戦を断固として退ける。
ゴア様、作戦計画。
オレンジ作戦。
none of the instruments are working properly.
What? Switch to emergency units and inform space control.
Right. All space outside the ship is filled with smoke. I can't see a thing, and our transmission with space control has been cut off. What about those emergency units? Not working. The apparatus is out of order. Our air pressure is going. I can feel my ears ready to burst. And the oxygen supply is sinking fast. Do something quickly. The oxygen tanks won't work. I can't breathe much longer. Commander.
They couldn't hear us, but we were able to hear them.
Oh, what a horrible thing to happen.
Yes, ghastly. There wasn't a thing we could do.
They could still be alive if their oxygen resumed normal operation at the last moment.
Yes, but we have no way of knowing that. Commander, there has to be some way of getting that spaceship back to Earth. Our instruments have no way of controlling the ship's present movement.
Well, we just can't sit around here and do nothing.
Pava, I heard on the newscast that the rocket ship was suddenly endangered.
Yes. And there isn't any chance of rescue.
You're wrong.
Huh? We can rescue it? How?
Goldar!
The Space Avenger will do that.
That's Miko's signal. I must leave immediately.
Could it have something to do with the spaceship, Father?
What about the spaceship?
Maybe it's in trouble and the Earthlings need help. But I don't know why Miko didn't call me.
Don't jump to any conclusions. I'm sure there's a good reason.
Cam, this mission could be very dangerous, and it's my responsibility when it comes to such matters. You are my assistant, but you should not take over my duties.
Yes, sir. Matrosum's coming.
I have news. The rocket that was launched around 3 weeks ago has encountered a hazard in space. Its controls do not work any longer, and its oxygen supply was cut off. The Earthlings want you to save the lives of those astronauts. Without delay, go and save that ship immediately.
What's the location of the spacecraft?
The astronauts last reported that they were at the northern part of the star.
I'll leave at once.
Gab, I want you to go to the international complex and inform the commander that Goldar is on his way. Do that now.
Yes, sir. Goldar's already departed to get the men who were trapped today. I bet he rescues those 2 astronauts before they fix their apparatus. That's because Goldar can go at a speed a lot faster than your latest nuclear rocket ship.
Stop bragging.
He does. Goldar said so. Even Rodak once said that you Earthlings are just starting to gain knowledge about missiles and rockets. Really?
He'd better be faster.
Goldar is saving the Earthlings' rocket ship. We've got to stop him. get away with it. But I've already told you, we've got to stop him.
Don't bother.
What?
I have a special surprise in store for the Space Avenger. At long last, the plan that I have conceived is about to take effect. Goldar's destruction is soon to take place.
A rocket is approaching.
My father's returning with the rocket ship and the astronauts, isn't he?
Uh-huh.
How about that? Goldar's location. The rocket is heading into one of the spheres around Venus. Goldar should reach the area in the next 60 seconds, sir. Good. Contact the Space Center and tell them that Goldar has returned with the rocket ship. Have an emergency landing party standing by to receive it. I want the men to get immediate medical attention. Let's go.
Look at that. Let's tell the authorities.
Something caused my magnet to lose its effect, and the spacecraft fell.
Where did it happen? We've got to rescue those men at once.
The ship is lying somewhere in the mountains of Azu. It could be difficult to find.
Get me a map.
Yes, sir.
I wonder what caused Goldar's magnet to fail. I'll bet Rodak had something to do with it, Miko.
Miko, Gam, I want you to come along with me.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's see. Mura, if Rodak caused this accident, then I suggest that we tell the United Nations. Rodak? Of course, Kita. You could be right. Start searching.
Oh. The two spacemen that are missing. There are no telephone booths at all. How can we call? Look how they just turned color. The color's golden. I wonder if it's magic. If it just turned to gold, then we are rich.
Gam, there's some kind of light down there.
I saw it. An orange light that's blinking on and off, right?
I think it could be the astronauts.
Let's land and find out.
Wow. It's nice here.
Sure is.
We better hide in the bushes.
Right.
Hurry. It's a rocket. Gam, go see if they're okay.
Uh-huh. You stay here, all right?
creature.
Is created, the Earthlings will pay for all the trouble they've caused me. Rodak, destroy everything in sight.
Rodak, he created this.
Maybe I should tell Goldar about this, huh?
Mm-hmm. He carried Rodak's creature to this planet. You know that?
Gee, my father wants me to destroy it.
Sam, that's true. Use your rocket to destroy the creature.
Better stay here.
Sam, good luck. Gam! Help Gam, Goldar!
Miko needs me.
Now what?
I have a feeling that Gam's in trouble.
Cam?
Gam! Are you all right?
I think... Oh,
I signal Goldar.
I think you should tell your security council.
Yes, I know. I must tell the commander, too.
Everything is all set, sir. Good. Attention! The Space Avenger.
Mura, the monster might have hurt your son.
Mother!
The monster is going to be destroyed. You'll be all right now. Stay here.
It disappeared.
What do you give for it?
Gold from outer space? Ridiculous.
She doesn't believe. That gold's worth a fortune. She doesn't realize it.
Oh, you know, I just got a strange sensation.
What's wrong?
Look what that gold did! Sir, wait a minute. Doctor, where are the hunters? Oh, in there. That one of the two hunters, Doctor. That's right. The two men were admitted here yesterday. When I saw the patient, I couldn't diagnose their illness. It was very strange. Here, on this table, was the other man. I thought that it could be cholera. However, it wasn't that disease at all. I have to admit I was stuck. I'm still waiting for results from the lab. I'll determine more then.
It's amazing. These men contacted the rocket. And an ingredient in the rocket caused this terrible thing.
It's most peculiar that their legs turned orange.
Doctor. Oh! Papa, look at that.
The orange liquid's crying.
Mura. That could mean only one thing. It's a living liquid.
Oh, Doctor, I want a sample to bring back. Oh, here, I'll get that.
This woman is in great pain, Doctor.
Look.
I'm not sure of the illness.
It's awful. Awful.
The disease is exactly like the other two, and it looks to me as if it's spreading. Doctor, do you agree?
Commander, the world should know about it. Tell the UN immediately.
It is a germ that originated outside the Earth's atmosphere.
Huh?
I'm not sure, but I'd say that bacteria can destroy organs and will certainly cause death.
Which is what happened.
It could eat through metal also. There doesn't seem to be any limit to it. Such bacteria cannot be destroyed according to known methods.
Papa.
In other words, anyone that becomes inflicted with this disease will be destroyed. We'll work on the mold immediately for the protection of anyone who catches it. You can tell the public at once.
Mm-hmm.
We're helpless. Say something.
All we can do is work on it.
It can bite through metal. Gam was inflicted with that bacteria just yesterday.
Now the Earthlings know the power over Rodak. This is what they get for not surrendering. Rodak! I want you to destroy everything you can. The bacteria haven't affected GAN yet, sir.
I have an idea, Goldar.
What is it, sir?
You can destroy the bacteria. Defeat the monster and the Earthlings will have a chance to survive. Goldar, I want you to go.
Yes, sir. loses everything I destroy. I don't have a chance.